What's up, guys? Your favorite Red Dead character here, and it's time to move on. Today, we're going to be breaking down my Grailed closet liquidation sale going live on March 12th. Super excited. We're going to talk about the items that I'm already regretting giving up, some items that just don't fit me anymore but I wish did, and also some steals. We're at Grailed HQ today, and right here are some of my favorite items that are coming up on my closet cleanout. If you aren't familiar with Grailed, it's a peer-to-peer platform if you're looking to sell some of your old clothes, find some hidden gems. I'm sure almost all of you out there know the deal, but if not, this is your perfect introduction to go score some of my old clothes. And I think the best way to start are those that it's finally time to let go, and hopefully they make it to a good home. So these are my biggest regrets. Those of you that have been around for a while already know what's coming. I mean, come on. And it's been a long time coming. This is, of course, Undercover Spring Summer 2015, where they stole some television intellectual property. One of my favorite bands that played an integral role of punk music, but also punk music in NYC, convincing CBGB to house some seedy, energetic idiots that probably seemed like some of the most oversimplified music of all time. But television, maybe that's not the case. It's very cryptic. They're a proto-punk band that are often referred to as post-punk, and super folky too. This jacket, anyway, is a stretch denim, a little cotton blend that I absolutely love, but it's a little bit short for me and my body length, and I just didn't find myself wearing it all that much, so it's time to give it a new home. Really interesting thing about this collection is supposedly Undercover didn't get the rights to the Marquee Moon and adventure imagery that's used all throughout the collection. So is that super punk DIY, or is it a step too far for an established brand that has a higher price point, whose whole heritage has been curating punk imagery? Gorgeous jacket nonetheless. Super sad to see this go. Whoever gets it, send me a picture, please. Send it with your love. With that in mind, this is a classic Geared Toward Gear pant right here. And this is the opposite of that Undercover jacket because this is technically authorized Stones merch. This is from Comme des Garçons Homme Plus Spring Summer 2006, where every garment was a traditional menswear item with the tongue and lip logo plastered all across it. Also accompanied, of course, with checkerboard and floral and polka dot patterns too. I think they took the video offline. It used to be on YouTube, but it is a bunch of English boys strutting around like they don't give a fuck. A bunch of young Mick Jaggers. There you go. Can't wait to see you guys in these. Another absolute favorite is this Walter Van Barendonk, or more specifically, Wild and Lethal Trash, which was his line in 93 to 99, I believe. And this jacket, although it may not look like it as the material ages, is actually pretty much brand new and hardly worn. Although it is wearing and showing its age a bit, you can't really blame them because the team at Wild and Lethal Trash are so clearly trying to use some futuristic, padded, technical EVA-like fabric here. Vinyl windows down here with the foil padding showing through. Definitely go check out other work from Wild and Lethal Trash because it is from another planet, cartoony, rooted in fetish, and this item maybe doesn't represent the brand perfectly because it's super fun-loving but also equally wearable at that. Now we have an item from Veronique Branchino, and maybe this should go in the steal pile because I guess in the Grailed ecosystem, the prices are still fairly low. So it's probably not a steal for Veronique, but I think that she is an underappreciated dark horse of Belgian fashion, or just fashion in general. And this little number right here is like Edward Scissorhands in his 959 on the way to a wintry cabin. So gorgeous. Actually, you know, this is just a trifecta. It doesn't fit me, so I have to give it up. I'm regretting giving it up anyway, and it's a pretty good price. Just her prices are pretty fair nowadays in the aftermarket. So I love this. This is also cotton too, not leather, which I love. And just gives a really interesting, flowy, beautiful shape. If you can fit a size 46 that is, give this a go for sure. Let's talk about some items that I wish I could keep but just don't fit me. And maybe it's good because it'll slim my closet out and give it to you guys in the end. This shoe right here, I just have to share it because of the story. I don't know how dumb I am, but I just wanted to make it work. And also I got these for a really fair price, and I'm happy to pass it along to you guys. So you may be familiar with these Takahiro Miyashita, the soloist clogs, Western loafers, Western mules that is, from like Essence end of season sale or something of the likes, because in the US and in Europe, these retail for around $2,000, which is crazy. And I was super lucky to hunt these direct from Japan for, I wish I could remember, somewhere around like $450. They were slightly pre-owned, but it was right when they were released. And it was from one of the very large secondhand chains in Japan. So I was really happy at the time. The only thing is that these are a size 9 and I'm a 10. I was hoping I could switch out the insole or just wear them without an insole, but that's just too much. You know, you gotta wear a comfortable pair of shoes. Shoes are for walking, have to give them up, and I guess they are going to you boys out there. So grab these if you're a size 9. Such a gorgeous, gorgeous mule. Also, just trying to get rid of my leather footwear. I didn't even realize a lot of the items that I'm giving up are different pants that I really wished fit. Oh my gosh, but they don't. So a lot of the sizes, I guess, I don't know my waist size. First, we have this pair by Kiko Kostadinov. This was a really exciting find. I found these at the Trading Museum when they first started stocking his second collection in the Comme des Garçons shop in Paris. They have a little trading museum with books, younger designers, that sort of thing. So this is a 3D side pleated short, and they just have hidden cargo pockets that are either snapped down or zippered shut that are hidden behind a pleat running from top to bottom. They're really low key. They have that futuristic techie sole, but they're oh so wearable. So this is a great pair of shorts, and they were a great item in my wardrobe, but they're just too small in the waist with the rise, because the rise isn't as tall as I would like it to be if I need to wear it tight. Then the gems. You guys will have to explain to me why the inflation went up so heavily on these. Martine Rose jockstrap jeans. This is a size medium, I believe. Check the Grailed listing and you'll know for sure what size they are. And this is a unisex pant. It is a size medium, a unisex pant, but the waist is about a 34 or so, maybe even a 35, probably a 34. I'm about a true 30, and there was a lot of room. You could stick 2 hands in your pants. That's a good measurement tool right there. And this is a great pair of pants. I love how simple it is as far as the denim goes, being like a Midwest dad denim, but then having this jock strap right here. Flawless. So maybe if these pop up in a small, I'll bite the bullet. But until then, let's talk about these Yang Lee pants. Yang is a designer that I've just wanted to support for a long time, and I finally got these when I could afford them on sale from Totakayo a long time ago. And this was like the first pant I wore that was actually a wide leg. So that was exciting at the time, but they have always been too big for me. But they have this little cinch on the back, and they are just a wide, pleated, formal pant with some overlock, some bit of serging down the side that adds a little bit of informal, gritty flair to the side. All right, for those of you on a budget, you know I had to get something for you going on this sale because Grailed is honestly for more than just the consumed bondage zip-off pants for $4,000. You can also find some great steals, and I want something for you boys out there too. The first being this disgustingly beautiful metal tipped? Steel toe, steel toe boot. This boot, unfortunately, is just too small for me. It has these awesome aggressive wraps going diagonal across that steel toe. It's a great height with a fat heel on the back. I'm hiding it from you, there it is. But they're too small, and I about lost my toe. I wore these our entire event in New York City that Kaylee and I had, and standing for 3 days wearing these boots, my right big toe is still numb. A year later. So if you're a size 10, 10 and a half, do me a favor and don't buy these. But if you're a 9 or so, this is perfect. So versatile, well worth the money. Next, you guys know I can't get enough of my slim, straight Levi's jeans. And to be completely honest, I just had 3 pairs, and 3 pairs is about 2 pairs too many. So I'm unloading these orange tabs for you, the little Halloween Levi's tab on the back that have a really nice long inseam, are slim pants, but not skin tight pants. I'm wearing some right now, and I do have a more gray pair at home too, but this is my go-to Avery jean, so I have to put a pair of one of these on the sale. And finally, besides some of the Veronique stuff I mentioned prior, I wanted to include this shirt, which is Raf Simons Spring Summer 2004. Sound the alarm, Raf Simons and a steal mentioned in the same sentence these days. This isn't necessarily a steal for a cut-off button-down shirt, but I want to include it in here because I think that this collection is undervalued. I should say underinflated compared to his other collections around the same time that were super popular. Most likely because it isn't as dark or edgy as Waves or Consumed, etc. But I think that it's further than that. It's the complete opposite, but it's a great collection. It is inspired by Hermann Hesse's Siddhartha. If you've read any Hesse before, if you are interested in a lighter silhouette, more tranquil, elegant looking clothing from the bad boy, apparently, Raf Simons, check it out. There you have it. That is everything I have for you today, but there's a lot more for this sale that I'm really excited about. It's been about 8 months or 10 months of me cleaning out my closet, so it's finally going to you guys, which is really exciting, and you'll see more images with the actual sale along with descriptions for every item, so check it out if you want to learn more. But that's it for today. Appreciate you guys. Pencil in March 12th at noon Eastern if you're interested in the sale, and I appreciate your guys' support nonetheless. Let me know what you guys are looking forward to from the sale and all of that down below in the comments. And until the next video, do me one last favor, have a good day. I'll see you in the next one. Peace guys, take care.